Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on today's video we are going to be counting my sinking funds for the month. This is the first time that I've done something like this, but I think it's a really good idea to count your sinking funds so you know how much money you've put toward your sinking funds. And you'll also be able to see what progress you're making. It encourages you to keep going and kind of give yourself a pat on the back. You know, you want to inspect what you expect. So of course you expect to continue saving. And so when you inspect that at the end of the month, it kind of lets you know what you need to do for the next month, where you need to put your focus, etc. So I'm really excited to be doing this video. If you enjoy these types of videos, I definitely encourage that you subscribe to my channel. You can hit the subscribe button right there. You don't even have to leave the video. Make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you know whenever I upload a new video. But so that I do not belabor the time any longer, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I am just going to be using something that I created on Canva, just a sinking funds update sheet. It's not something I'm going to use moving forward. I have something else I'm going to use starting next month, but I needed to use something for today's video. So unfortunately, I'm just starting today. So I will really basically only have a start instead of an end. And I'm really preparing for next month to see how much I will end with and if it will be a plus or a minus, okay? So let's get started here. So this is my sinking funds binder. This is where I have the majority of my sinking funds in this actual binder, and then I have another binder here, my homework sinking funds, in this binder as well. So let's get started with any money that we have in here. Let's see if we have anything in here. So we have $1 in here, and this is just where I keep excess money that I really don't know what to do with. I just throw it in these envelopes until I find a home for them. So we just have $1 there. This is the miscellaneous envelope, and I will make sure that I record this $1. Okay, so we're gonna start with our medical envelope. So in the medical envelope, we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we have $130 in medical. That's not bad. So $130 in our medical envelope, and this is basically used for any medications, or if I will be going to the doctor and maybe I need co-pays or anything like that, and my daughter as well. So next is car registration, and in this we have, let me write that down first. So our car registration is 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So we got $135 in our car registration. My car registration is about $300. That's what it's been every year. So hair has 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. $70 in hair, and I need to start beefing this envelope up because I'm gonna need to get another weave soon. Clothes has $30. This is another envelope that I need to start beefing up because the summertime and the springtime is coming, and I do want to buy some new clothes. I haven't bought any new clothes in quite some time, so it's definitely time for some new gear. Auto Care has 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95 in Auto Care. So what Auto Care serves for this envelope is whenever I'm getting my services on my car, that's what the Auto Care takes care of. I probably need to create another auto envelope, and this would be like if my brakes go out, or if, you know, something unexpected happens on my car that I'll have money for. So I'll probably need to create another envelope for that. Support has $5. And the support envelope is if I want to support someone in their business, or, you know, anything like that. I will have the money to do that, as opposed to going into an unbudgeted, you know, area. So next is cleaners. So you guys, last time I put $5 in here, and we know we need more than that. My cleaner bill is about over $300, so I really need to be buffing up this envelope. It only has $25 in here, and once I get to $100, I could at least go get some of my clothes out. Costco, this is for my Costco membership. That's what this envelope is for. So we have 20, 30, 35. And what I probably need to do is also, well, no, yeah, so this is just for my Costco membership. And here, all right, next is AAA. This is for my AAA membership. 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. Okay, that's what this is for. This is once a year I have to pay for this for myself and my daughter. Next is wedding. The wedding is almost here, you guys. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 85. Wedding is almost here. And this money I'm probably just gonna use for, you know, spending money while I'm out there, even though I plan to spend nothing. Wigs / weave, which I need to start buffing this up, has $50. And this is for weave hair. I'm gonna start needing to really buff this envelope up as well. 20, 40, 50, because I need to get some new hair. And the hair that I want is gonna cost some money. Job Petty Cash has 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75. $75 in Job Petty Cash. This envelope will always fluctuate because I use it monthly. Next is holidays, and this has $10. I definitely need to continue to contribute to this. The next holiday coming up is Mother's Day, I think, and I definitely want to buy my mom something. Birthdays has a total of 20, 30. So we have $30 in birthdays. And it is, I just took some money out of it actually. Car wash, this one is always used as well. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60. Time to get my car washed. It's $60 to get my car washed, and then I always give them a $10 tip. All right, next up is nails. I'm gonna need to get my nails done for the wedding. Nails only has $10. Definitely need to contribute a lot more to that nails. Okay, investing. I will be investing this year. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So we got an investing $235. Not bad in investing. I've really just been saving a little bit, and see how much it is now. And Beautycounter, this is the skincare products that I use that I really like. They're clean products. I'm gonna have to go over to this page now. So Beautycounter has $10, and I definitely need to get me some more stuff. So I need to buff up this envelope as well, because I have some credit that I don't want to lose. All right, so now our OG Homework Sinking Funds binder. So let's see what we have in here. So for our home maintenance wallet, or envelope rather. Oh yeah, let's take these two out because it makes it easier for me. So in home maintenance, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 40, 60, 70. I have 170 in home maintenance. Not too bad. I kind of just started this envelope, so I definitely want to always have some money around for, you know, if anything ever happens within the house. And then our OG shutters. This is the first project that we're working on to getting our shutters upstairs. And we have 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 400, 5, 10, 15. So we got 415. I think that's what I counted. Yeah, so we got $415 in this envelope. And we have the first installment of our shutters, which will be on, the first installment is gonna be on in March. And then I have another installment and then we'll be done. All right, guys. So this is everything. Put this back up in here. All right, so now let's go ahead and calculate how much money we have in all of our sinking funds. Let me get my calculator. All right, so I am going to do some calculating.
You could back it up into me. Let me twist it down until the depths where you can't see, boy. Slipping further 10 meters deep. So intoxicated, I'm feeling a little weak, oh. And I'll be sweet to you, far from anything cruel. Focus on us two. We could take it slowly. Hold it down, 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 down. Hold it down, 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 down.
All right, guys, so total in our sinking funds is $1,824 in our sinking funds. Not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. The majority of that is, of course, in the shutters. That's where the majority of the money is. So with my sinking funds, I pretty much am constantly in and out of my sinking funds. I don't have any sinking funds where, well, I do as far as like, you know, savings and things like that. I have that in the bank, and I don't want to count every single dollar that I have and, you know, show that to the world. So these are the ones that I pretty much am saving for long term, but about a year of long term. But so this is total $1,824. So if something did happen that, you know, I needed to take care of like really quick, I know I at least have $1,800 that I can go after. So this was a really good exercise. I think I liked it a lot. So if you're not doing this, I really encourage that you do it because it's definitely helpful. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me in today's video. Make sure that you check out yesterday's video where I did a cash stuffing, and that was for my business envelopes. I have new envelopes where I am, you know, saving for my business and YouTube channel and all that good stuff. So if you haven't checked that out, make sure that you check that out. And then the video tomorrow will be for my March budget in my new budget planner. You guys don't want to miss this, okay? This planner, everything. So thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.